Well-kept home in desirable Columbia Sky Mobile Home Park. Spacious home that has an open floor plan. You walk into a spacious living room boasting faux wood-beam ceilings and a propane fireplace that effortlessly flows into the formal dining area with a built-in hutch. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinet storage, solid surface countertops, laminate flooring, newer appliances and breakfast dining area with sliding glass door out to the covered back deck. Down the hall you will find the guest rooms in the front of the house, with one guest room that has access to a Jack and Jill bathroom. Both guest bedrooms have large corner windows letting in the light. The master suite is located at the other end of the home and has a spacious walk-in closet and large bathroom with double sinks, soaking tub and separate shower. Wonderful outdoor space with a large front deck, enough space in the back for a vegetable garden, one shed for storage off the carport and back deck. This home is only 2 doors down from the community pool, clubhouse and horseshoe pit. All this and only minutes away from historic Columbia in downtown Sonora.